Have you ever thought what drives the complex systems behind large-scale applications like travel booking platforms, banking systems, or e-commerce websites? The key lies in advanced Java, a critical tool for building powerful, secure, and scalable solutions that can handle immense data and user traffic. Advanced Java is the backbone of enterprise-level applications, providing developers with the ability to build robust, high-performance systems that can scale with ease. Whether it is managing large data sets, handling multiple threads efficiently, or ensuring system stability with exceptional handling, Advanced Java equips you with the tools necessary to solve practical problems at an industrial scale. Java's versatility doesn't end with the basics. It's a language designed to grow with your needs. As you move from foundational knowledge to more sophisticated features like Java collection frameworks, multi-threading, and design patterns, you learn how to architect systems that are not only performant but also maintainable and scalable. Remember, mastering advanced Java opens up the doors to critical roles in industries like finance, technologies, and telecoms, where reliability and efficiency are non-negotiable. By the end of this course, you will develop a comprehensive travel booking system. This project will integrate all the advanced Java concepts you've learned and serve as a key portfolio piece, showcasing your ability to build enterprise-level applications. Here's a summary of what you will learn in each module. Master Java collection frameworks, learn the differences between array list and linked list, and understand how to use sets, maps, and comparator for sorting collections efficiently. Then you will learn how to handle checked and unchecked exceptions and create custom exceptions to make your code more robust and maintainable. After that, dive into Lambda expressions, functional interfaces, Stream API, and the new date and time API introduced in Java 8 to write more concise and functional code. Then you gain deep insights into multi-threading and thread management and understand Java's garbage collection process. Finally, discuss the core design principles like solid, dry, and kiss, and apply popular design patterns such as singleton, builder, and factory to write more flexible and maintainable code. Your guide for this course is Harshit, an experienced software developer with extensive knowledge of Java and enterprise-level systems. He will be guiding you throughout the course, helping you understand complex topics and giving you valuable insights from real-world projects.